In this video, I will compare PiPiADS versus Kalodata. So these are both tools that can help you when you want to sell on TikTok, whether you want to advertise or sell through affiliate marketing or even your own products on TikTok Shop. These tools can both help you find the best winning products, and in my opinion, one of them is better than the other, and in this video, I'll just compare them and tell you which one I think is better and why. Now first, what exactly do they do? It's pretty simple. Kalodata is a tool for TikTok Shop analytics and insights, so it's specifically for TikTok Shop. So you can see here in the Explore section, if we click on that on their website, you have a competitors list, you can see affiliate creators, trending products, hot lives, hot videos, and brand strategies. So here you will see top products. So for example, this pre-workout has sold over $2 million through TikTok Shop in the last week. So this way you can just find winning products from TikTok Shop. Now what is interesting is that on PiPiADS you also have this feature. You can see here TikTok Shop. They can go to TikTok Shop product, and then here you have a very similar feature where you will find the best winning products on TikTok Shop currently, and you can also filter by, for example, United States, and the same thing is also possible on Kalodata. Now then, in both of these you will be able to filter by which one makes the most money and stuff like that, or for example in this case I will go by the impressions. So then you can see this product right here, for example, Shadow Work Journal, has 142 ads and 1.3 billion impressions, which is a pretty insane amount. Over 600,000 have been sold at $6 each, so that's $3.6 million. So now you can find a product like this and start selling it. So they both have that feature. Both of them will help you find the best products, see how much the products are making, or you can even search for a product keyword or even for a store yourself to see how much a specific store is making. Now you can do that in both Kalodata and PiPiADS. Now the difference between PiPiADS and Kalodata, and the reason that I think PiPiADS is actually better, is that on PiPiADS you also have these sections, so TikTok ad search and the product search. Now if we click on these, you will actually see a bunch of winning products that are being sold through TikTok ads. So whereas we just looked at products that were being sold through TikTok Shop, here we are seeing products that are being sold through TikTok ads. So again, here you can filter by the best ads. So one good metric is the amount of ads that are made for a specific product. So for example, this Dear Person Behind Me sweatshirt has nearly 16,000 ads, which means that it is definitely a winning product. So now we know that this right there is a winning product, along with, for example, this weighted plushie right here, and then again you can click on them and actually get some insights. So that's the difference between Kalodata and PiPiADS. On Kalodata you will only see the TikTok Shop analytics, whereas PiPiADS is a more complete tool where you can both see insights for winning ads and then also for TikTok ad search, so you can search for specific industries, categories, stuff like that. And then along with that, you also have the TikTok Shop products and the TikTok Shop store search. Now one more cool thing about PiPiADS is that they have all of these free tools. So a TikTok UTM parameter, TikTok ad targeting and audience, that will actually help you with who you need to target, a TikTok ad cost calculator, Shopify theme detector, Shopify app detector, dropshipping CPA calculator, dropshipping profit calculator, dropshipping profit margin calculator, and a dropshipping traffic calculator. So these are all amazing tools that are completely free. Now if we compare these two tools in terms of pricing, you can see PiPiADS has three different packages. They have Starter at $77 per month, VIP at $155 per month, and Pro at $263 per month. Now for most people, this one right here, the starter plan, will be enough, because here you already get unlimited winning products. And the main difference between these packages is the amount of everything you see right here that you get. So this one is the most popular. If you're just starting out, you can just use the starter. If you have some more money to spend and you have already found some success selling on TikTok, then I would go with the VIP. I also use this one. It's an amazing package. And by the way, if you want to get a 20% discount, I'll just show you. If you click on start trial, you can then here enter a coupon code. Now comparing these pricing packages right here to those of Kalodata, you can see Kalodata is a little bit cheaper. Their starter plan is $45.90, then professional is $89.90, and enterprise is $399.90. Now you can see in starter you get 0 sub accounts, 50 search submissions, 10 shop creators in search results, and this is not a lot. If we compare this to PiPiADS, you can see you get 200 ads per query and 50 ad details per day. So this starter plan from PiPiADS is way better than the starter plan from Kalodata. So you shouldn't only look at the pricing, you should also look at what is included. Now I would 100% go with PiPiADS. In my opinion, it's a much better tool. It's just much more complete and you can really do the best product research possible using PiPiADS. Now again, if you want to claim the 20% discount, then you can go and click on the affiliate link down in the description and then it will be applied automatically, or you can just go to checkout and enter the coupon code HOWTOSTUFF all caps lock no spaces. Now the fact that I earn money if you use my coupon code when purchasing a PiPiADS subscription is not the reason I recommend them. I personally use them as well, and I've also tried Kalodata, but I just think it's genuinely a better tool. I could have also joined the Kalodata affiliate program, but in my opinion PiPiADS is just much better. So you can use the 20% off coupon code when you actually decide to get one of these packages, and if you pay annually you will save 30%, and then with my coupon code on top of that you will actually save 50% when you pay yearly, so then the starter plan will only come out to about $40 per month, which is an insane deal for what you will actually be getting. So that concludes this comparison of PiPiADS versus Kalodata. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.